Stop wasting hours trying to come up with SEO titles. Let AI do it smarter and faster. Think about this for a moment. Your title is the very first thing your audience sees. If it doesn't grab attention instantly, people will simply scroll past, no matter how good your content actually is. That's painful because you might have created amazing value, but the wrong title means no one even gives it a chance. Today, I'm going to show you how a free AI tool can write powerful SEO titles for you in seconds. Titles that not only save time, but also attract more clicks, boost CTR, and get your content seen by the right audience. Now, let's face the real problem. Writing a strong, SEO-friendly, click-worthy title is harder than it looks. You want to include keywords so that search engines understand what your content is about. You also want to keep it short and punchy so people can read it at a glance. On top of that, it needs to spark curiosity, so viewers feel an emotional pull to click. Most creators either overthink this process and waste hours, or they settle for something plain like how to write a blog post. Sure, it's descriptive, but would you really click on that when you see more exciting alternatives? Probably not. This is exactly where AI comes in. With free AI tools, you can generate dozens of catchy, keyword-rich titles in seconds. And I'm not talking about fancy paid platforms. I mean free tools that anyone can access right now. One of my favorites is simply ChatGPT on its free plan. But you can also use tools like Copy.ai's free tier or Jasper's trial mode. The process is ridiculously simple. You just type in your topic, add a bit of context about your audience, and let the AI do the hard part. For example, if your topic is about fixing slow WordPress sites, you could ask the AI to generate 10 SEO titles that highlight speed, urgency, and free solutions. What you'll get back are titles like Fix WordPress, Speed in 3 seconds, or Speed up WordPress with 1 free plugin. Compare that to a generic title like How to Make WordPress Faster. Which one do you think gets more clicks? The AI version is short, bold, full of energy, and it speaks directly to what the viewer wants. But here's the unique angle that makes this method so powerful. You're not just asking AI to generate titles blindly, you can actually guide it to analyze what already works in your niche. Let's say you're making a YouTube video. Instead of saying, write me titles about SEO, you can tell the AI, give me titles that can compete with the top 5 YouTube results on this topic. Suddenly, you're not just creating random titles, you're reverse engineering what the best in your space are already ranking for, and then making your titles sharper, more emotional, and more clickable. That's like getting free market research combined with copywriting expertise, all in a matter of seconds. Now, let's talk about results. Titles aren't just words. They directly influence CTR, or click-through rate, which determines how many people actually click on your video, blog, or article. I've tested this myself. With a plain, human-written title, my CTR hovered around 2%. After switching to an AI-generated, keyword-rich, emotionally charged title, that CTR more than doubled to nearly 5%. Think about that. The same content, the same audience, but just by changing the title, traffic doubled. Imagine what that can do for your channel, your blog, or even your business website. More clicks mean more visibility, more subscribers, and more potential customers. The beauty of AI is that it doesn't stop at one suggestion. You can generate multiple variations and test them. For example, ask the AI for 10 options. Pick your top 3 favorites and rotate them in different posts or videos. Over time, you'll discover which styles your audience responds to most. Maybe they prefer titles with numbers, like 5 free SEO hacks. Or maybe they respond better to urgent, short phrases like, fix this SEO mistake fast. AI gives you unlimited creativity, so you're never stuck staring at a blank screen again. And here's a bonus trick very few people use. After AI generates your titles, take them to a free analyzer tool, like Costco's Headline Analyzer. This tool measures emotional impact, clarity, power, words, and readability. Pairing AI-generated ideas with analyzer feedback means you're not just creating good titles. You're creating excellent titles that balance SEO with human psychology. It's like having a brainstorming partner and an editor working together for free. So let's summarize what we've uncovered. Titles matter more than almost anything else in your content strategy. They decide whether people click or scroll away. Most of us struggle with writing them. But with AI, you can instantly create SEO-friendly, attention-grabbing, curiosity-driven titles in seconds. You can compete directly with top-performing content, double or even triple your CTR, and save countless hours of stress. And you can do it all without spending money on premium tools. All you need is a free AI assistant and the right prompts. If you've been wasting time trying to figure out titles, today's method is your shortcut. Try it, test it, and you'll see results almost immediately. And the best part is, once you start using AI for titles, you'll also find yourself using it for meta descriptions, thumbnails, and even social captions. The possibilities are endless. If this video gave you value, do me a quick favor, hit that like button right now so more creators can discover this method. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because I'll be sharing more free AI tools that can save you hours and grow your content faster. And Dan T, keep this secret to yourself. Share this video with a friend who is struggling with SEO. You'll be doing them a huge favor. Remember, your content deserves to be seen. Don't let a weak title hold it back. Let AI help you write smarter, faster, and more powerful titles that get clicks and grow your audience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.